In this tutorial I will show you how to create these creative shampoo product poster design step by step in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. Then from File place Shapes Image. To download these images, link is provided in description, check it out. This shape is created using Curvature Pen tool. To learn how to create these shape tutorial, link is provided in bell icon. Then from File place Product Image. From top panel change angle to 17 degree. Resize and place product image accordingly. Then place olive 1 image. Position it accordingly. Add mask layer. Hold Alt key and left click on product layer to enable selection. Select mask layer and using brush tool remove unwanted portion of leaves. Make sure foreground color is black. Then place olive 2 image. Position it accordingly. Select all related layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as product. Then select background layer and from fill or adjustments select gradient. Follow the steps as shown. From basics select first option. Keep style to radial. Angle will remain same. Change scale to 125%. Then adjust the center of gradient fill below product as shown. Set the gradient colors. Copy these hex code for gradient color. Rename the layer as gradient. Select Shapes layer and using Quick Selection tool make selection of single part. From Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. Select Color using Eyedropper tool. Add new layer above Color Fill. Hold Alt key between these two layers to add clipping mask. Then using brush tool add light shadow effect. Hold Alt key and left click to select color using eyedropper. Follow the process accordingly. Similarly, using the same steps add light shadow effect to remaining shape parts. Place color fill 4 layer above product layer. Similarly, add effect to remaining 2 side shapes. Then select product layer. Add new layer above and create clipping mask. Using brush tool, create light and shadow effect to product as well. Follow the process accordingly. Keep opacity of brush layer to 75%. Then place pumpkin image. Right-click on layer and rasterize it. Using lasso tool, select single pumpkin. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of selection. Similarly, make a copy of remaining ones. Delete image layer. Resize and position these pumpkin images accordingly as shown. Select related layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as pumpkin. Add a shadow effect below pumpkin in layer 5 using brush tool. Then hold Alt key, select and drag olive one image to make a copy. Rotate and position it accordingly. Select mask layer and using brush tool remove unwanted portion of leaf is shown. Make one more copy and position it accordingly. Then type and place text using Type tool. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Similarly, copy font style and text sizes of remaining text accordingly. Lastly, place oil drop icon. Place it accordingly above 250 milliliters text. Make selection of icon. From Fill or Adjustments, select Solid Color. Select color using eyedropper tool. Delete image layer. Then select all text-related layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as text. Then select all shape parts layer using Shift key and group them. Name it as shapes. Delete image layer. Select top group layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. And name it as final. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.